Welcome everyone to this groundbreaking episode where we're going to delve into the mind-blowing world of artificial intelligence. Now, you might be asking, why should I care about AI? Isn't that just stuff for tech geeks and Silicon Valley wizards? Well, let me tell you, understanding the evolution of artificial intelligence is no longer an option. It's a necessity for each and every one of us. And that's because AI is radically transforming every facet of our lives, from how we communicate to how we work, to even how we understand what it means to be human. So, what's the big deal about the evolution of intelligence in machines? Here's why it matters. We're living in an age where AI isn't just a bunch of code stuck in a computer somewhere. It's a rapidly evolving field with the potential to redefine our civilization in ways we can't even imagine yet. Starting with narrow AI, which excels in specific tasks like language translation or data analysis, we're inching closer to artificial general intelligence, or AGI, which possesses human-like cognitive abilities. And dare I say it, we're even approaching the realms of artificial superintelligence, or ASI, an intelligence so advanced it could outperform the entire human race. Narrow AI. Alright, let's kick things off with narrow AI, the most elementary form of artificial intelligence, but certainly not one to be dismissed. When we talk about narrow AI, what we really mean is a type of AI designed and trained for a specific task. It's like having a tool that's really good at doing just one thing. Imagine a hammer. It's fantastic at nailing things into a wall, but you wouldn't use it to make a phone call. Similarly, narrow AI excels in specialized domains. It's not going to have an existential crisis or write a novel. It's going to do what it's programmed to do, and it's going to do it exceptionally well. Narrow AI, also known as specialized AI, is an incredibly useful tool designed to excel in specific tasks. It is particularly effective in tasks like analyzing vast amounts of data, evaluating sentiments expressed on social media, or identifying cancer cells in medical images. However, there are limitations when it comes to generalizing its abilities. For instance, it is unable to adapt or transfer its skills to tasks that are unfamiliar to it. Climate modeling is an area where narrow AI is often overlooked, but it actually plays a crucial role. By analyzing environmental data, narrow AI helps create models that predict different climate change scenarios. These models provide us with important insights into what the future holds for our planet and help us identify measures to mitigate potential disasters. Narrow AI also showcases its creative side as artists and engineers join forces to produce breathtaking works of art using algorithms. Narrow AI has been gaining significant attention in the real world, showcasing its impact through various examples. For instance, Netflix's recommendation engine has revolutionized the way we discover new content, while language translation services have made global communication more convenient and accessible. These case studies showcase how narrow AI has become an essential component of our everyday lives. So, as you can see, narrow AI does have its limitations, but it is quite powerful in its own way. It is making significant advancements in various fields, such as climate science and the art world, bringing about revolutionary changes. It acts as the fundamental basis on which future iterations of artificial intelligence are being developed. And please keep in mind that we have only begun to explore this topic. Next, we will explore the enigmatic and intricate realm of artificial general intelligence. You definitely don't want to miss it. Narrow AI to AGI. Fantastic! You've gotten the lowdown on narrow AI, so now let's turn up the heat and explore the transition from narrow AI to AGI, that's artificial general intelligence for those new to the acronym game. The journey from narrow AI to AGI is not just a small hop, it's a giant leap, a complexity gap, if you will. While narrow AI is like a virtuoso musician skilled at one instrument, AGI is the entire orchestra, seamlessly harmonizing multiple instruments. It's an intelligence that could perform any intellectual task that a human can do, be it understanding natural languages, solving complex mathematical problems, or even interpreting emotions. To achieve AGI, we need computational power that far surpasses what we currently have. It would require a supercomputer that is several times more powerful than what we currently possess. Additionally, AGI must possess the ability to learn and adapt flexibly, enabling it to acquire new skills and knowledge effortlessly without the need for a large team of engineers to manually reprogram it. The transition feels like moving from a choose-your-own-adventure book to participating in improvisational theater. There are two main theories that are propelling the development of AGI, artificial general intelligence. One theory is based on neural networks, which drew inspiration from the functioning of the human brain. The other theory, known as symbolic AI, places emphasis on logic and reasoning. There are experts who believe that the future of AGI will depend on finding a balanced combination of both paradigms. Considering cultural and historical perspectives is also important when discussing AGI, as various societies hold different viewpoints on intelligence. This entails integrating philosophies, ethical considerations, and spirituality into the essence of machine intelligence, seamlessly merging human endeavors and thoughts with machine intelligence. And that's it, my friends. Moving from narrow AI to AGI is not simply a matter of technology, but rather a complex undertaking that spans various fields, cultures, and philosophical perspectives. Moreover, this transition has the potential to completely redefine the concept of intelligence, not only for us humans, but also for the machines we are currently developing. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. Okay, if you thought narrow AI and the leap to AGI were mind-boggling, brace yourselves because we're diving deep into the enigmatic world of artificial general intelligence. Let's talk about theoretical capabilities first. AGI is designed to emulate human cognition. That means not just learning but also reasoning and perhaps even a form of self-awareness. This isn't your run-of-the-mill algorithm that sorts your emails. This is an intelligence that can adapt, think critically, and maybe even understand its own existence. But wait, it's not all sci-fi wonder. There are ongoing debates in academia and the tech industry about just how feasible AGI truly is. Some say we're on the cusp of a breakthrough, while others argue that AGI remains a pipe dream. The when and how of AGI are still very much up for debate, and that brings us to some hefty ethical considerations. We're talking about creating a form of intelligence that could theoretically outthink us, so what are the ethical boundaries? How do we ensure that AGI benefits humanity rather than harming it? The question of feasibility is a contentious one. Despite advancements in computational power and machine learning algorithms, there's still no definitive roadmap to achieving AGI. It's like knowing you have to get to a treasure but not having the complete map. Is it impossible? No, but it's not going to be a walk in the park either. Now, you can't discuss AGI without mentioning its portrayal in literature and films. From Isaac Asimov's I, Robot to movies like Ex Machina, AGI has been depicted as both a utopian and dystopian force. These stories offer cautionary tales, but also inspire us to imagine the limitless possibilities of AGI. So there you have it, AGI is not just a buzzword. It's a complex and multifaceted topic that sparks debates and dreams in equal measure. Whether we're on the verge of creating AGI or it remains a distant vision, one thing's for sure, it's a subject that we'll be discussing and debating for years to come. Next up, we'll be stepping into the realm of a truly extraordinary artificial superintelligence. Don't go away, you won't want to miss this. AGI to ASI. We delve into the fascinating realm of transitioning from AGI to ASI, which stands for Artificial Superintelligence, in case you're not familiar with the term yet. This shift goes way beyond a simple linear progression. It's like a quantum leap, a tremendous advancement that surpasses our current understanding. If we were to compare the transition from narrow AI to AGI to upgrading from a biplane to a jet fighter, then moving to ASI would be akin to exchanging that jet for a spacecraft with the ability to travel between stars. The development of artificial intelligence, AI, has become a subject of great interest and concern because of its potential to enhance capabilities at an accelerated rate. Predicting the speed at which AI could develop after achieving AGI is a challenging task, as it depends on various factors such as technological advancements and global cooperation. ASI, also known as Artificial Superintelligence, has the potential to exceed human intelligence in remarkable ways. It could tackle complex problems that were previously deemed insolvable, come up with groundbreaking technologies that are beyond our imagination, and provide profound insights into the mysteries of the universe. Nevertheless, it is crucial to consider the potential advantages of artificial intelligence, ASI, while also taking into account the risks that come along with it. The potential impact of this could be enormous, with the possibility of bringing about unprecedented prosperity, addressing climate change, and even finding cures for diseases. In order to navigate the uncharted waters of artificial superintelligence (ASI), it is crucial to have governance strictures, ethical frameworks, and international collaboration in place. These elements play a vital role in ensuring that we approach ASI development and deployment in a responsible and thoughtful manner. Artificial superintelligence (ASI). Fantastic! You've journeyed with me through the evolution of AI, and now we've arrived at the pinnacle artificial superintelligence, or ASI. This is the realm of intelligence so advanced that it doesn't just match human intelligence, it surpasses it in every conceivable way. So first and foremost, let's dig into the ethical considerations surrounding ASI. If AGI demanded ethical scrutiny, then ASI is a veritable minefield of ethical quandaries. Because let's be real, when you're dealing with an entity that has the potential to outsmart us, ethical considerations become more than academic exercises. They become a necessity for the survival and prosperity of humanity. Which leads us to the control dilemma, the catch-22 of ASI. On one hand, the capabilities of ASI could solve problems that have plagued humanity for ages, but on the other hand, how do we control something that's smarter than us? It's like trying to win a chess game against a grandmaster while you're still learning the basics. Implementing control mechanisms that both work and are ethically sound is one of the most perplexing challenges we face in the development of ASI. Since ASI is still largely theoretical, much of our understanding comes from thought experiments and hypothetical scenarios. We've got everything from the utopian to the dystopian. In a best-case utopian scenario, ASI could be the key to unlocking a future where scarcity is eliminated, diseases are eradicated, and perhaps we even achieve a form of digital immortality. It's a future that reads like the most optimistic science fiction novel, full of promise and unprecedented technological marvels. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a complex concept that both excites and terrifies. It challenges us to reconsider our understanding of intelligence and human nature in a world where we are no longer the smartest entities. ASI, the zenith of AI, could use its unparalleled intelligence to manipulate or deceive us, potentially leading to catastrophic outcomes like societal collapse or human extinction. This raises questions about how we prepare, adapt, and thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape. Artificial intelligence, AI, has progressed significantly from its inception as narrow AI to its current state of artificial superintelligence. However, the development of artificial general intelligence (AGI) and artificial intelligence systems (ASI) is still in the exploratory phase, with theoretical and ethical uncertainties. Predictions of AGI or ASI's emergence are highly speculative, with some experts suggesting it could happen within the next few decades, while others suggest it might take much longer. The challenge now is to prepare for a world where AI might outthink us, navigate the ethical complexities, and redefine the meaning of intelligence in an era where humans may no longer be the most intelligent beings. There you have it, our whirlwind journey through the evolution of artificial intelligence. This topic is not just a passing trend, it's a challenge, a question, and a marvel that will shape the course of humanity for years to come. So, what do you think? Are you excited, terrified, or a little bit of both? Whatever your stance, one thing's for sure, the conversation is far from over. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey, and I can't wait to see where we go from here. Until next time.